how to make shark scratchy or scratch cat. So let's just go into costumes. I'm using this on Turkish, so if you don't understand it, I can just make it English. It's the fucking English, but. So now we'll go into costumes, get the scratch cat's head, select, say ungroup. Now every single piece is its own thing. Now let's just fuck. Now we got it. That's it. Yay! And the clicker with sharks, scratch cat, shine effect. This is the best game in the universe. This is the code. And this is the costumes. Wow, fucking good, Loon. Wow, this is the best game ever!